Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Amazon Associates eligibility with your Amazon account, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your Amazon Associates eligibility, start by logging into your Amazon account. Once logged in, navigate to the Amazon Associates homepage. Click on the Join Now for Free button if you haven't signed up yet. If you have an existing account, select Sign In and enter your Amazon credentials. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Associates Central dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the Account Settings option in the top menu. Click on Account Settings to review your account details. Check to see if your account is eligible for the Associates program. Eligibility typically requires an active Amazon account in good standing. Next, ensure that you meet the program's geographical requirements. If you're not in a supported country, you may not be eligible. Next, familiarize yourself with the Associates Program Operating Agreement. This document outlines the rules and regulations of the program. After reviewing the agreement, proceed to complete the application form. Fill out all required fields accurately and completely. Make sure to provide a valid website or social media link for your promotional activities. Once your application is submitted, look for the confirmation email from Amazon. Keep an eye out for any additional verification steps mentioned in the email. If approved, you will receive your unique Associates ID. This ID is vital for tracking your referrals and commissions. If your application is denied, follow the guidance provided in the rejection email. Make any necessary adjustments and reapply if eligible. Remember, compliance with Amazon's policies is crucial for maintaining your affiliate status. Regularly check your associate account for updates and performance metrics. Stay informed about any changes to the Associates program that may affect your eligibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.